Unit 1, Chapter 6. Make words. Look and learn. M-A-N, man. Say A-N, can. F-A-N, fan. Now complete the rest of the table. D-E-N, den. H-E-N, hen. M-E-N, men. Now complete the rest of the table. P-I-N, pin. T-I-N, tin. B-I-N, bin. Now complete the rest of the table. B-O-W, bow. C-O-W, cow. H-O-W, how. Now complete the rest of the table. F-U-N, fun. R-U-N, run. S-U-N, sun. Now complete the rest of the table. Look, listen, and circle the odd man out. Bat, bed. Boat, hut. Hut is the odd man out. Sun, lock. Sack, soap. Lock is the odd man out. Cock, cat. Dog, clap. Dog is the odd man out. Ladder, leaf. Rose, lemon. Rose is the odd man out. Key, pot. Pen, purse. Key is the odd man out. Top, toy. Axe, tree. Axe is the odd man out. Copy the words in Word file on the computer.